Finally, I would like to remind you the first point that we had, the celebration aspects, right? So from the deception and the false promises of shaitan is that he engages us in celebrations that are transgression from the hudud, that are transgression from the to the prohibitions of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And he makes us feel that that is liberation, although Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that the people who stick to Islam, the people who stick to the obedience of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have hayat and tayyiba, have a beautiful life, have a blessed life. And the people who are other than that have a restricted, constricted life. But he engages us in that. So it is like if you were to think about someone driving in the racetrack, driving a fast sports car, a Ferrari in a racetrack, as soon as he loses focus, that is the ghafla, heedlessness, he goes off track. When the car goes off track, he loses that beautiful vehicle. That powerful vehicle is lost. He doesn't have control on that anymore. Likewise, when shaitan takes us from the vastness of the halal things, the permissible things, and gets us into the haram thing, and he invites us to try it once, to take a look at it once, to try it once, to hang out with it once, and then we become a slave of our own desires, we lose our potential, all the ability to do great things in the world have gone, and going in the constricted side of things. So as we celebrate, let us be mindful to not transgress and not to disobey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which we should not do in any of the days, especially in these days. So because the act of worship in these days are blessed and magnified, likewise the sins are also magnified. So it is upon us to be extra careful of not disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.